Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make moving text in Webflow. First, understand that dynamic text effects significantly boost your website's visual appeal and user engagement. Webflow provides powerful, built-in animation tools that allow you to create a wide range of captivating text movements. We will explore how to set up these animations, ensuring your text flows smoothly and attracts attention without needing complex code. This approach makes your site more interactive and memorable for visitors. To begin, drag a text block or heading element onto your Webflow canvas. It is crucial to finalize your text content at this stage, as changes later might affect your animation timing. For optimal control and flexibility, always wrap your text element within a div block. This container acts as a parent, allowing you to apply transformations and animations to the entire text unit, ensuring consistent movement across different screen sizes and devices. Now, let's apply a basic scroll animation. Select the div block holding your text and navigate to the Interactions panel. Choose Element Scroll in View as your trigger. This means the animation will activate when the text enters the viewport. You will then define two keyframes, an initial state, perhaps with the text off-screen or at 0 opacity, and a final state where it is fully visible and in its desired position. This creates a smooth, engaging entrance effect. For more advanced text movements, experiment with various easing curves to control the animation's speed and feel. Instead of a simple linear movement, try ease out or bounce for distinct effects. You can also create multiple animation steps within a single interaction, allowing your text to move in several directions or change properties sequentially. Combining these text animations with other element interactions, such as background changes, can produce truly rich and dynamic user experiences on your Webflow site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.